got a 3500 12 passenger dually Sprinter van that didn't make it. And we're gonna go try to see if we can help out. Hopefully it's not, oh, there he is. Well, shoot fire, man. He didn't make it at all. I guess we'll go see if we can figure him out.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you?
Not too good.
Not too good. It doesn't look too good.
No, it really don't. The front wheel on that side is off the ground.
Is off the ground, huh? Hello.
The passenger side wheel, yes.
Who did this?
I did.
She did it, didn't she?
This one. What to give?
And you know what? I made it all the way from Cleveland to get here to do this.
All the way to Cleveland?
From Cleveland.
From Cleveland.
To do this. That's where, yeah, that's where I came from. I brought them. They coming to celebrate one of the ladies getting married, and we missed. My GPS was telling me this address on this side. Pull up in here,
And then try to.
and I got right at the edge. And then when I went to put it in drive,
It said thump.
Yeah.
It just
I'm
roll
like,
right in
Are
there.
you freaking kidding me?
Wow. Well, how bad is that tail light, I wonder, huh?
It's not bad. It's just, like I say, this.
We can change the tire over here, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, you could. Yeah. The tail light is not cracked or anything. I look back there. Just getting it out.
It's just getting it out of there.
Just getting it out.
Might be a little muddy. Shoot far.
I'm so disappointed with myself. I have never, ever, never, ever.
Well,
The thing is, how?
yeah, that's always the how.
Yeah, that's what we were saying when we started off and looking at it. How?
How much do you feel like climbing today, Coven? Hey YouTube, we're lucky we got Coven here today because old dad probably would end up at the bottom of that if I was rough. That's probably our one. It's probably the one.
Say so.
You know the drill. We'll see if we can get some stuff out here.
What you gonna do?
That's gonna be our best friend, is that tree right there in front of us. We're gonna pull forward from that. If I've got to get a little lift with the other cable, I probably will, but I'll probably back up. I'll let you get some stuff down there from one side winch. The other side winch, I can probably come over here and loop his wheel and might be able to pick it up a little bit while we're pulling. But the main thing is I'm gonna have to turn around and get to you. So maybe there. It's always crazy. Actually, I might go all the way back here and just turn around and then back up to it easier with it. The only spot we've got is back. Definitely not the preferred truck for backing up a mountain road. We'll make the best of it. Let's see what we got or what we can do. Oh boy, I may have to get you a rope to get you back up here. Let me grab this other one, that way I can hold on to that to get you down there, because you probably won't be able to make it back up. Oh no, man.
You see crazy?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's on the good side. It's not over here on the bad side.
Yeah, true. That would not have been good at all.
No. I'm from Indiana.
Oh, okay.
Close.
Around the corner.
Around the corner.
Yeah. You've been doing this for a while, haven't you?
Yeah, these old mountains can get tricky sometimes.
Man, listen, they ain't got to worry about me.
This one, you want to hold on to this one and go down?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
All right, I'll let you hold this one. You can take that one with you. But you got to take that with you too. You good there? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you be chasing that to the bottom. Whatever you do, don't lose the bolt on the end of that when you put it through the strap. That's fine. It doesn't. It can pull into the ground. It'll be okay. We're just using it to pull forward, so if you can step on it, that might be your best. While you're getting that, I'm gonna get this other rope before we go cable. What do you think? Yeah, just hook it through the pulley. You don't even need that all the way down. You can leave it right there. Yeah, just undo the pulley side, the blue side. There's a big screw. Yeah, that one. Superhuman dad strength. I need to put some oil on those, as you can tell. I'm gonna go up first and get the thing. Okay, you gotta grab that yellow hook and come up with that. I'm gonna pull you. And this one's gotta go back to his truck. Boy, there's nothing here. Give me anything. Gonna try to grab a spring to get some lift. All I've got. Close to the paint right there. Let's see if we can take this other strap that I'll leave that one for now. Give me some yellow. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, go red. It's probably gonna be a little bit of a hard pull, but just need to watch that back. It should start coming up.
there.
Yeah. Give me some slack in red, I guess. I might be able to get that, I'm not sure. Okay. That tree held up.
Yeah.
It was a heck of a pull over, wasn't it? Woo! Heck yeah. That wasn't so bad. Yeah. It's usually the cars that are down there that we're going down to hook up. So yeah, you're on the easy side.
Yeah, I'm thankful for that. I'm telling you, I probably would have had to sit down and my heart would have just bust over. Because I don't like heights.
Yeah, it's a little crazy. Yeah, these roads, you should see our snow events for people that check in up here. Yeah, when it's snowing, they're sliding down everywhere.
Made me scary.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully there's enough room up there to maneuver around for you.
I walked up there to make sure.
Because that's kind of scary.
Yeah. That's why I said,
Yeah, it's
you're a real daredevil.
we get a lot of people off the side.
Really? Yeah, I'm sure.
A lot of people get scared. They'll see it start to snow and they'll try to leave.
Too late.
Too late. Yeah, it's usually bad. Yeah, that'd be good. That'd be good.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate that. Yeah, we'll let me get this. Coven, if you can grab that other front one in front of the tire. So make sure you got your foot on the brake and on the gas at the same.
That's where I'm at.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because it's right on the edge. There you go. Yeah, you're good. Keep coming forward. I'd probably try to cut and go back the other way. It's going to take a little bit to get it to pop up on that lip there. Coming back forward again.
All right, thanks.
Well, I think just won't do it, will it? You're good. You've got some room up here. That's about it, though, for sliding. There we go. You're good. Yeah, you can back up if you need to.
Yeah, I am. I'll let them get in.
Oh, okay, they're coming in. Okay.
Oh, we're going in?
All right. Well,
Nice rock.
thank you guys. We appreciate it. And
Dad, what are you doing?
yeah,
You're not going in there. She's running away.
she's running away.
Maybe I'll run away. I got kids.
Thanks, buddy. You guys have a good time, okay? And congratulations to whoever.
My cousin in there. Yeah.
Okay. Well, congrats. Thank you.
Backing up was scarier than getting out of the
It really was. I told him to double foot it, put his foot on the brake and do his thing there, but he was serious about the brake. But anyway, guys, we got him out of there. There was some damage on that back bumper. They he come down in that rocker panel, kind of buckled up a little bit. He hit hard when he went in there. So, but we got him out. A little bit of pulling. Towin did a great job with Big Red here. A little bit of a struggle, but it came out of there, and we are Ski Mountain, guys. I'm not sure if I said that before we got started, but we're up here on Ski Mountain. We're going to head back down. It is full swing and rod run. We've got cars everywhere. The phone's been going absolutely crazy, but stick around, stay tuned. We probably got more coming your way. Well, man, it was. I had to move a half a tree up there to even get in here to you.
I bought a chainsaw to cut so I could even get down here.
Really? And you're just renting this place?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna get my truck through there, man. That was close.
I was going to tell them if they got just a 4x4 truck and a tow strap, I think that's all we need, but.
Yeah, it don't get much smaller than this one though. There. So just start off the edge and then couldn't recover?
I got right here.
Yeah.
It's really deep right here, so I just spun. So I went forward a little bit, I get a running start.
And it said no?
And it just kept going.
Yeah, there's limbs everywhere up here.
The vacation's started off. My daughter threw up on the way, and then
Oh no.
it's like one thing after another.
You're not having no luck, huh? Sunk in.
Did it?
If I can get a hold of this strap on the other side, I'll be in good shape. See if I can get this winch in gear. I guess you got the keys and all that good stuff. Let me get a little tension on this first. You ready? You'll have to just go neutral. People want to help and it doesn't help. Think she'll make it from there?
Yeah, I hope.
It says I'm gonna go. It was pulling my truck forward. My truck slid down the hill, so it's a little crazy. It's a lot steeper than what you think.
I stayed at the first one in July, and we had my truck. And my buddy ended up renting that one this weekend.
Yeah.
And then we were like, all right, we'll come down too.
Yeah.
I called him. He was like, dude, I'm 2 hours out. That's all it comes from.
These roads are. You put a little water on this stuff, and it's already straight up and down almost. And it don't take much.
I think as long as I keep the wheels here. But like I said, I just got off of it trying to back it in.
Yeah.
And it was that big dip right there. I think that's what I hit when I started pulling this up there.
Yeah, once it gets to that, I'd say there's no return. The point of no return. It's back up to pavement, hopefully. See if we can make some days.
No, babe.
Could you have some candy? How about I throw it over here? Oh, all right.
Thank you. I didn't want to ruin your vacation.
You just spent almost $200 on a chainsaw to cut trees to get down here.
I know, that's what he was saying. So guys, listen, save these receipts and submit this to these people that you're renting from, because there's no reason in the world you should have to have a chainsaw to access your property or slide off the thing here. So maybe they'll give you some free stays or a discount, or
I think it's blowing around down there because I got so I'm going to have to go get it.
Man,
This has been like comical. Our daughter, not this one, our littlest one, grew up on the way here. I'm like, this has been a disaster.
that's crazy.
Let's hope it only can get better from here.
Hey, there goes the money that we saved on renting it this weekend. we just
I hope maybe they'll do something for it, man. That's a little crazy, but yeah, just submit that to them, because there's no reason in the world. It's like I had to move a bunch just to get in here, so.
right.
You want me to hang around while you try to get turned around for just in case?
If you want, I'm just gonna back up a little bit and pull right in here.
Okay. Yeah, I just hope that you can get out, because those tires are going to be extra slick now that they've got that mud on them. So I'll hang around and make sure. Looks like he's gonna make it. Yeah. Hopefully he can get that thing turned around and not have any issues. So we're gonna see if we can get back out of here now. So guys, on the way in, I mean, I had to move a whole brush pile just to be able to get down in here, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And it might not have been the fault of the rental cabin that he went too far off of the roadway and then slid, but this tree situation up here, like, I'm gonna have to put it into 4-wheel drive to get out of here. Just crazy. But guys, check this out. I mean, let me put her back into 2-wheel drive here. But when I come down, I couldn't get under that, so I needed to come over this way a little bit, because that's into the power line and everything. But I guess he bought a chainsaw to cut up this so he could get into the property, but he left a lot of stuff right here, right up next to the road, and I needed to swing to get away from that, and I had to move this whole brush pile to clear this area to get the truck down. So I don't know, man. It's a crazy place up here, and it's got a good view, but a little hazardous. Okay guys, I got turned around from that big tree mess back there, and we're gonna head down the hill. So I thought I'd show you guys and share with you maybe the drive up and exactly where we are. I know some of you guys like to take note of these locations and what it takes to get to some of these places. And this is a cool place. It's not a bad place. It's just they needed to do some maintenance there with that tree that had fallen. looked like it'd been a problem for a while. Now this corner here, I'm telling you guys, this is super steep and not much room for my gigantic truck. And it makes a switchback. Alright, so far so good. I can see 321 down there. I can see and probably hear the cars going by, but we're gonna make our way down there. It's a tiny little road. Thought we didn't bring Big Red up here because probably definitely couldn't have fit through there. And here's another, as Herbert says, read your license plate. Corner. I'm probably not going to make that in one swoop, so I'm going to come up here and back up. See if we can get a better approach at it. But big shout out to Herbert. We appreciate it. We got a phone call in today. We got a chance to meet them over only once over in the Five Guys parking lot. Hot Rod Herbert. But he's giving me a call. He's coming back down. Hopefully we get a chance to say hey again on his way back through. But the entire family watches the channel, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to the whole family. We're back out here on 321, guys. That is Slate Gap Way, right off of Wears Valley Road, just down from the little chainsaw carving guy here. So if you know where that's at, it's just right at the beginning pretty much of Wears Valley. But this guy's cool, man. He does all kinds of chainsaw art. You should swing in and check him out. He's got bears and Sasquatches and dragons and about everything that you could possibly think of for chainsaw, and I think he does some custom stuff as well. But one of the few chainsaw carving artists in the area. All right, well, we're back down here on 321, headed back into town. Rod run is still full swing. It's still a full send, and it has been unbearable on the traffic, so I'm going to try my best to get back through there and make my way back over to the lot. We've got an insurance company picking up a car today, so I need to go do that release, and probably going to be a busy afternoon. Stick around, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're in a parking garage. I'm not sure why or how this car's up against this, but maybe we'll get the story if I can get down here to it. Try to pull it off of this pole. I'm pressed on space here. Hope all of these are equal height. I don't trust it personally. Maybe that'll work.
So what happened?
There was a car next to it, kind of tight.
Okay.
Get in and then back into
Just, yeah, just too tight. Okay. Well, he's going to grab it and just pull it directly that way. Perfect. No more scraping. Perfect. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah.
He said it was just a tight spot, and that there was a car over here on the other side.